Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if Threads app is not available in your country and you are facing this error while downloading Threads app on your device. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem for you on your device. So guys, first of all, you will have to just make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS software on your iPhone. So guys, if you're not using an updated version of iOS on your device, just update it first, and after this go for the second solution, that is you will have to change your country and region according to your country on your device to download Threads app on your device. So guys, for that, open settings on your device and tap on Apple ID, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases and tap on view account. Wait for some seconds, and from here just tap on country and region. Wait again for some seconds, and from here tap on change country or region. So guys, from here you will have to simply select your current country where you are living right now, and after this you will have to just download your Threads app again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed and your app will be downloaded in your device. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.